Mayong adlaw kanatong tanan atong pagaistoryahan karon mao ang ignorancia facti nun excusat or mistake of fact or ignorance of facts. When we talk of mistake of facts, there is a misapprehension of facts on the part of the person who caused the injury. In most cases, they will not be held criminally liable because their acts are considered justifiable without any intent to commit a crime and without any negligence on their part nga nakakause silang injury. Just like what happened in the case of US versus Achong. Si Achong usa ka mangingihaw one evening ana ang iyang ka-boardmate ning uli silang boarding house nga hubog. Gisigi og tuklod ang pultahan, gisigi og tuklod until such time nga naabli. But before that nihatag og warning si Achong nga kung kinsa ka, dinwala gyud. So karon tungod sa kahadlok ni Achong nagtuo siya nga intruder, iyahang nadunggaban ang iyahang ka-boardmate and based on the facts, wala siya intent to commit a crime, wala sa siya negligence on his part. Therefore, in this case, wala siya ma-held criminally liable.